Hello, Francois here from How to Become More. Congratulations and welcome aboard. I'm excited to put some time aside to have a 30-minute conversation with you, a growth call that is, and also take the time to seriously answer the three simple questions that are asked of what it is that you want, how serious you are about doing it, and actually your why. By doing so, I will be ready for you so that through proprietary questions, we find out the things that are best suited to your success. I will give you solutions that you will be readily able to use right after this call, right off the bat. So after this little video, there's going to be a place for you to put the link into your calendar. Please do so. So at the given time, you'll simply open it up, the link is right there, and we can connect together. I'm really looking forward to it. And until that time, make it a great day. Don't forget, please, don't be driving when we're on the car, and actually have a pen and paper so you can take that information and bring it with you to reflect on again and again. Until then, make it a great day. Bye now.